when a batsman comes in this particular time, coming to slash and throw his hands, forces a good batsman ending up, it doesn't look his. That's what I'm talking about. I think Nitish Hirani will try something. Talking about the Yorker, the results, it's in. It might be one of the best catches so far. You've seen.
That's a blunder from Jinke Baloshe to dismiss the hard hitter Hiran Kabaria.
Batsman is on top.
And that's.
Do you think we'll see a different batting team from these two? Just talking about the
batsman Francis Mutua.
huge appeal.